Hi, I'm Wire. Welcome to Wireworks. Hey everybody, Wire here. Thought I'd give you a little tour of the patio here where I'm doing my work. It's my toolboxes right here. It's my sidewinder cutter for laser keys, my old key cutter, all my electronic stuff right here, some woodworking tools, all my keys. As you can see, it's pretty much well organized as best as I can get it. I don't have everything in here because I just don't have room for everything. So this is it. See how well I have everything organized down here? So I'm not the only one who's got to dig for stuff. Hopefully some of you guys can enjoy the situation here. Anyway, let's get to our next project. Hey everybody, Wire here at Wireworks. Like I promised, we're going to get to this and clean this all up, shine it all up. We'll see how far we can get with it. And I'm still waiting for the handle in the mail. But in the meantime, let's work on this and try to get this going and see what this is going to look like. There is a big chunk out of here. We'll see what we're going to do with that. I may just file these edges down and put an angle on them. Just to get rid of this little chunk that's out of here. Somebody must have really hit something to really take a big bite out of that. Anyway, before we do, I want to say something about the comments I get here on YouTube. I really do appreciate everybody's positive and constructive criticism, and I really do appreciate everything everybody tells me. I gotta pick out just one person who gave me a comment that really pissed me off this morning. I don't know if you guys saw it or not. I did take it off. If you're viewing my videos and you don't like what I'm doing, keep your comments to yourself. I mean, I'm not here to please anybody. These are just videos I just am doing just for enjoyment. If you don't like it, move elsewhere. I'm on YouTube for the simple fact I believe there's a lot of nice people here. It's a real nice family I gather here on YouTube. I'm not here for any hate comments or whatever. Like I said, if you don't like what I'm doing or what anybody else is doing for that matter, go somewhere else. Go to Facebook and Twitter. I mean, there's all kind of hate there. You can air your views there. I won't stand for any negative comments here, and I'm just going to block you if you do add something. This is for enjoyment only. Like I said, I do take constructive criticism and to make things better maybe the next time, but outright calling me names, I'm not going to stand for it. And as far as the people who have been following me, I want to thank you for viewing my videos, and you guys are a real asset to my channel. Thank you very much. Anyway, let's get to this and see what we can do with this sledgehammer. This is Wireworks. Okay, we got most of the crap off of it. This thing was really beat up. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to work on it a little bit more. See if I can get this all flattened out. I might try hand sanding it. As you can see, looks like they use the side of it to beat with as well. This one ding here, I don't know what I'm going to be able to do with that. I like to be able to cut that off, but I have no means of cutting that off. So I'm probably just going to work on this side and try to get this even. Maybe try to get it to a point all the way around. Make it a smaller hitting surface. I don't know. We'll see. So let me work on this a little bit more and see what we can do to get this a little bit more all even, and then we'll shine it all up. This is Wired Wireworks. Okay, here's what we got. Turned out pretty decent. Couldn't get all the dings out, but it's a lot better than what the hell it was when we started. What I'm going to do now is put some WD-40 on it, clean it up a little bit. This is one of them refillable aerosol cans I got off of the internet. Works real good, just fill it up with air. About 30 pounds of air, and it works real well. Probably one of the best investments ever made. I was getting tired of buying WD-40, $7 at a can, when I could buy a whole gallon for $20. Let me get another rag real quick. Okay, that's what we got. So let's put this handle on and go from there. And we should be done after that. You'll see. Anyway, I'm not sure if I showed you the handle I got for this or not. I bought a 14-inch handle because I wanted a little bit more leverage on this. And I think I paid like 10 bucks for this. Really nice hickory handle. Came with the wooden wedge and the metal wedge to bang up in the top here. So let's get this mounted and get this all together and get this all finished up. Okay, we're all finished now. Got a little crack in the top here, but I'm going to fill this all in with epoxy. What I'm going to do now is put a little bit of wax on this just to protect it. Trusty bowling alley wax. Okay. Anyway, I couldn't get all the things and chunks out of this thing because it was so deep, but it is a lot better than when we started. And I did want to fix it because it kept coming off that other handle when I was using it before. I just did want to replace the handle and leave it rusty. So this is 100% better than it was before. This is a sledgehammer that I constantly use. It's not a collector's item. I don't collect sledgehammers. I've got a 20-pound maul that needs to be restored as well, but I don't know if we're going to get into that or not. But anyway, this is what we got. Turned out fairly decent. Here we go. And it's up, I don't know if you can see that. It says Plumb, USA. So I'm going to look this up and see if I can get a date on this or what. Anyway, I don't know what we're going to do next time. I've got a couple tools that I bought at the flea market about two or 3 weeks ago. We might get into that. Or we might get into a radio or something. I do have another. Well, I have a piece of test equipment I'd like to work on as well. I got it off of eBay, fairly reasonable. Maybe we'll do that. But anyway, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys the next time. May God bless you all.